welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, like and share so we can learn lots of crafts. So we will be making this flower portrait. So it's made of soft leather. So this is the soft leather. I chose yellow for this one, and still a gray soft leather for the background. So those are just some of the things that we'll be needing: scissors, tape measure, that piece of paper, pen. We're gonna be doing some measurements with that piece of paper. So here we go. So yeah, and we will be needing a glue gun in this one. So guys, if you don't have one, try get one for yourself. I got this one at a reef. So let's get started now. So I will be making like a rough drawing of a flower in this folded paper. The size of the flower depends on what kind of flower you want to achieve. So draft it as per your shape and size. Take your scissors and cut that out. So this is the paper that you'll be using to trace on the yellow soft leather. Yes. So the gray one I'd already like I had my frame ready, and I just fixed with some small nails. I don't know how you call them. You can decide to use a stapler, anyhow you want to do it. So that's our flower. You have to fold your material in a manner that you won't waste too much of it. So I'll just trying to check on the angle to start cutting out the flowers. I didn't want to waste out my yellow soft leather. Yes. So I had to fold it in the best way, minimal size. using the paper cutouts that we did earlier, and we'll be tracing it on our soft leather. So guys, I made lots and lots of these cutouts. I think they were around not sure, I think like 30 or 40 for my project. But as I said earlier, it depends on the size of your mounting and the size of the flower you wanna come up with. So that's how you fold it to make a petal look. Guys, I don't know the name of this flower, but it's a flower and it's a beautiful flower. Wow, so we already made the first round of our flower right there. So you'll just now be filling the other petals besides the two petals joined together like that. And there goes our flower. So I decided to decorate it a little with those beads that I got in town, and that shiny button. And yeah. So guys, that's how our flower looks like. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share.